Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If we are new to each other, my name is Jamie. Today we get to unbox, try on, and check out Apple's Pride Band for 2021. There's actually two versions this year. There's a Nike Solo Loop version, but I really like the ease and comfort of the Solo Loop. I've been using it religiously since around September when I did receive my Apple Watch Series 6, even though I have this selection, this assortment of different Apple Watch bands already collected. Normally I really do like them, but I've really been addicted to the ease and comfort of the Solo Loop, so I can't wait to check this one out here. But before we get started, if you do not know your size, I definitely recommend using their size guide. So if you are using their website, you could print this guy out online, and then you could just do a little cut and paste, so some arts and crafts at home, and then you just wrap it around your wrist, and then you are able to figure out your size. But fortunately, a lot of the Apple stores, especially now, are a little more open than they used to be. So hopefully you'll have one near you, and you could go in now, you could try it on, you could check out the different colors, figure out your size that way. A little heads up that I do size around a 6, but I do prefer the ease and comfort of the 5, so I do go down a notch. Again, I've been using this one pretty regularly ever since I've had it, so about 9 months or so, and it does not feel as tight as I normally had it. I still would not say loose. It still feels actually perfect now. That's just a little tidbit. You might want to go down a size, but it's really your preference. But without further ado, let's get started. Let's get this guy opened on up. So as we flip this onto its back, we're right away reminded that Apple is a proud financial supporter for LGBTQ advocacy organizations working together to bring positive change, so that's always nice. And then the usual pull tab. User guide, things that you'll never need, your Apple Watch, and that's about it. You just pop it on out. And as you can see, it's quite stretchy, and that's because it's made out of recycled yarn that's woven around these silicone threads. And if you want the matching watch face, you'll need to be on the latest watchOS 7.5, and then from there you can search for it on your app gallery. But for really, I find that a little too confusing. But fortunately this year, if you bring your iPhone by the packaging, you'll finally be able to take advantage of those app clips, because let's be honest, we haven't used them. But if you bring your iPhone nearby, just simply scan the little app clip, and then it'll be guided and you'll start to find your watch face. And then from there, you are able to customize it. There's actually two new versions this year. There's the woven one, and then there's a circular one that gives you a little more information at a glance, like your messages, time, temperature, and things like that. I really love that Apple does this every single year, and they have some really great designs. I know a lot of companies do this. They just add that rainbow logo on during Pride Month, and it's a really great marketing technique because clearly it works. But I really truly believe that Apple is a company that's advocating for these organizations that are fighting to bring change. But let's get this guy put right on. It should be pretty simple like any other Apple Watch. Just slide the bands. I've done this a zillion times. Sometimes I do it wrong though. But so that does occur. But from there, you just slide on. And it definitely has more of a snug fit, even though they're the same size. Over time, it should fit quite nice. I really love that this year's color does not just include the LGBT colors, but also the trans equality colors and the different shades of black and brown for Black Lives Matters as well. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. I know it was a super quick one. I just really wanted to hop on and really just acknowledge that Pride Month is so much more about human rights and equality. So whether you fall into any of these categories, or maybe you're not even sure, it really does not even matter. Just be proud of who you are, and that's where I'll leave it. Just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of those things. And until next time, see ya.